So what about building your own speakers? Adrian in Munich, Germany, where I met my lovely wife, Terry. He writes, do-it-yourself loudspeaker kits are considered here in Germany as one of the best methods to get the great sound for a given price. If we consider that at least 30% of the final price of a loudspeaker is generated by non-developmental activities like merchandising, advertising, etc. Building your own speaker should be the best solution in terms of quality per price ratio. The final result of a do-it-yourself approach will be not as perfect, won't be looking as perfect as a professionally built loudspeaker, but the sound should be okay. This brings us back to kits again, and we talked about audio kits before. This particular kit is a speaker rather than electronics, and I have nothing against kits. I think they're a great idea. I mean, of all the things one could build, I think loudspeakers would be among the easiest. You have a cabinet, you have a crossover, you've got drivers that are fairly easy to screw in place, wire it up as long as you get the wiring right. Maybe you have to build the circuit board for the crossover. You got to hook up the binding posts. You know, I mean, consider that's a heck of a lot easier than trying to build, you know, something on a PC board. I mean, just well, here we are in the production area, and if you just look at here's one of our regenerators. This is out of the new P12, and you can see if I hold it up, and for those of you on Ohm's Law, I'm holding up a very complicated looking heatsink and capacitor, multi-component circuit boards. I mean, there's a lot of stuff on here, and one thing wrong on any of the components and it doesn't work, or it certainly doesn't work properly. So this is a heck of a lot harder and more exacting to build than a loudspeaker. I did want to comment on one part that he says, and that 30% is merchandising and advertising. Well, I don't know what companies he's referring to, but certainly not this company, and certainly no company that I am familiar with. Maybe a big company like Bose or Sonos, but we spend, oh goodness, almost nothing on advertising and marketing. We have a marketing director who gets a salary. I do these videos, we take ads out here and there, we go to trade shows. But as a proportion of the cost of a product, it's less than 0.5%. It's nothing. There's no way that 30% goes towards advertising and all that. So I think your numbers are a little off here. And I don't think that you're saving that much money from those respects. You're saving labor. What else are you saving? I guess not much else. So anyway, kits, I think kits are great. Go for it. It's fun. Not everybody wants to do it, but if you do, just make sure you get it all hooked up right, and then send me a picture. I love seeing pictures of people's systems and their kits and their creations. If you go back to our employee area where everybody has lunch, we've got pictures plastered all over the walls of our customers' systems and their installations and things. They're proud of it, we're proud of it, and we put it up there for everybody to enjoy. So please do send it to us. Good luck with your project. Thanks. Bye.